Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly see what's going on with Matic. It's been a while I haven't covered Polygon Matic, so let's see what it's doing. And I've drawn this, this support line, which I think is a very important uh, trend line, resistance and support line. The reason I say that is because once we were over it, things were doing really well. As soon as we broke it, you see we have gone towards the downside because you can see we were making higher lows formation, higher lows, and we broke this higher low and we made a lower low formation, but that's still okay because what I would like to see with Matic, and I'm in the weekly time frame, is okay. I can show you what it's doing right now. Okay, you can take this trend line, put it right over here, and this neckline will come over here. Okay, and we are in the weekly time frame, so you can see if we go to the daily time frame, look, you can see that it made this pattern over here, this bearish head and shoulder pattern. I covered all this when we were in the bull run, and as soon as it broke it, this was the price target. We came very close to it, but we never met it. Okay, but yeah, this is what it did. So now if you go to the weekly time frame, you can see it a little bit better. Okay, you can see how it's making this bearish inward bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, now I'm not gonna say it's bearish because Matic is overall a very powerful coin. Okay, a lot of metaverse projects are using Matic for the lower fees, and I believe it's gonna be one of the greatest coins out there. For in terms of utility and stuff. So now if you can, if Matic can break this resistance line and close a candle above it, okay, that's your indication it has invalidated this bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, but if you see Matic breaks this support line and close a candle below this, that's indication it can come to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye on this support and resistance. This is the neckline, this is the resistance. Okay, so now um, if it closes above it, expect Matic to come and test these levels. Okay, this neckline $2.32, it will come all the way up here. Okay, if it breaks it, it can potentially come to this high, which sits at $2.91. Okay, so if you take out your, but this pattern is a very crucial pattern because you want to keep an eye of these breaks wherever that break happens. If it breaks to the downside, which I don't think so, it might. If it breaks to the downside, I mean, this is it will first come to this low, then it will come to this low. Okay, the $1.11, 1 and 75 cents. Okay, so but I don't think that will happen because a lot of use case is being done by the Polygon network. Okay, and a lot of projects are being associated with Polygon. Okay, so potentially I think resistance might get broken depending on how Bitcoin is doing. Okay, and Ethereum. Now, if you take a Fibonacci, okay, and just measure this, okay, you can see where the resistance is coming from. The resistance is coming from right over here. Okay, this is the resistance, 0.382. You break this resistance, you close a candle above it or sit on top of it, you will have a run towards the upside, and you can see the run can be all the way to $2.02 where the next Fibonacci level is. Okay, so keep an eye on this, keep an eye on the support, and this should just portray the story to you guys. Okay, now let's quickly check the monthly time frame and see what's going on in the longer time frame. Okay, now you can see in the monthly time frame something else is going on. Okay, so if we just take all of this off now, take everything off, in the monthly time frame it's actually looking extremely bullish. Okay, look at this higher low formation. Okay, and then you can also build a fact. where it did this, came out, came back in. You could also take this over here, okay? And you can see this ascending triangle formation, okay? This is a bullish pattern, okay? Let me just, it's a bullish pattern, and you can see it's just doing its thing and making higher low formation. In the weekly, it's making a bearish head and shoulder pattern, okay? But you could also portray this as a ascending triangle. In the monthly, you can see it better because even Bitcoin in the monthly is looking extremely bullish. So keep an eye on this pattern, and once it breaks the resistance, I mean, it's gonna just take off, okay? So this is it for Matic, and hopefully things start going towards the upside. At least one green candle can give more information for Matic coin, okay? But at the moment, it is going up. It's up a little bit. But like the video, your likes mean a lot, and it portrays that you want me to keep making these kind of videos and just doing these updates. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.